And their team captain, number 2, Alyssa Valdez.
Because there is a chance that they still may meet in the finals. Alyssa Valdez. Another good one. Maraguinot gets to it. Tan sets up Ahomiro. Nandun naman si Jaja. Tan goes to the other side. Valdez trying to go over the defense. Nahabol yan ni Myla Pablo. Back set ngayon. Pamimigay ni Jorel Singh. Hekiliana. Tan going to Alyssa. And she is snuffed out by the net. So mamaya may init din yan.
Actually, both of them masyadong bearing ang larong ito sa kanilang standings. Ang objektibo ay ma-maximize ang exposure at experience bilang paghahanda para sa kanilang collegiate league. Kaya naman kung mapapansin ay sinasalang paminsan-minsan ng dalawang kupunan ng mga baguhan. At sa NU for instance, ang nagbabalik at nangangapa pa rin na si Aiko Ordaz. Now being processed for the Lady Bulldogs, Coach Roger Perez as his guest players, Dindin Marawat and veteran setter Ruby De Leon. Pero clarify niya rin, they're not here to win the games for us. They're here to inspire and to show us what's right. Kaya the rest of the work, atin pa din yun. Back to you guys.
Well, rely on them.
Correct.
They're here to help, but they're not really here to just carry the team forever, or to carry the whole team.
Well, they have helped give this 5-point lead to NU. Hekiliana dug up that time by Pablo. And Alyssa Valdez had a block point earlier. Almost another one there. Manabat turned back there by De Leon. Manabat gives it up. Maraguinot. Tan lifts it up. Alyssa nakaabang naman doon. Si Jorel Singh. The point will go to Ateneo as the block goes out. Naalala ko yung mga comments ng mga ibang taga... Aiko Ordaz on the serve. De Jesus. Tan. Maraguinot off the net. Played by Ordaz. De Leon. Quick. Up. Pati si Dindin. Naloko doon ni Ruby. Nice block there by Dindin. Ella lifts it up. Maraguinot. De Leon na nakakuha ng block that time. They send it to the back for Valdez. Comes up short. There are a lot of hitting errors for Ateneo here in the first set. Mikasas the official ball of the Shakey's Billy. Good read there by Valdez. Sa serve ni Ordaz na lalabas. So 11-6 NU. Practice Iliana in as the utility spiker for today. And that's a good serve. De Leon, hulog. Nandun naman si Giselle Tan. Back set ngayon. Alyssa Valdez, malakas. Ateneo struggling on offense dito sa first set natin, Ivy.
A lot of hitting errors para dito.
Actually started out 2-0 sa laban na ito. Now they are behind by 8. Tan, inangat. General. Combination play, Pablo. De Jesus. For Maraguinot. Off the block. Singh. De Leon. Jaja. Kept alive there by Tan on the long rally. Valdez into the net again.
Alyssa Valdez.
And Alyssa in the back. De Leon. Jaja. Change of direction. De Jesus. Binigay pa rin kay Alyssa sa likod. Alyssa Valdez cuts it down to single digits, but that is still 9 set points. At tignan ulit natin yung atake ni Alyssa from the back.
It was a touch from the hands of Jad.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Served by Myla Pablo, Joanna Maraguinot, Giselle Tan, Alyssa Valdez!
Mukhang nagising na tong Ateneo.
Better fight being shown here by the Lady Eagles. In the first technical timeout, they were done 8-3 nung ating first set. That's an ultra-fast fight brought to us by PLDT Homoltera, the ultra-fast LTE for happy. At yan na po, si Alyssa Valdez to serve. And Alyssa Valdez with an ace. So the MVP gets it done. Kaya binabati rin natin sa lahat ng mga sasali naman sa opening ng UAAP today. The season is on as another serve is brought up here by Alyssa Valdez. Pabigatan ng serve. Sabi ni Alyssa, game, laban daw siya. Another one. Pablo. Singh. Dindin. Through the net. Saved by De Leon. They go to Alyssa at the back. Change of direction. Valdez has scored 3 straight for Ateneo.
Good comeback here para sa Ateneo. You know, they started out very slow in set number 1, but itong simula ng kanilang set number 2 is maganda.
Siya nagsimula ng breakaway ng NU sa ating first set with their serves. They go to Alyssa on the combination. Good read by Jaja. Back set, Eliza once again. Good read by Myla Pablo.
Excellent blocking here shown by the Lady Bulldogs.
Ateneo's up by 5 earlier. Tan, over to Valdez. And Eliza finds zone 1 open. That's experience for you with her very powerful serve. Ayan na naman, biglang lumiliko at the net. Ano? She's really perfected that.
Good
De Leon.
floater.
Dindin and Ruby not on the same page that time. Eliza Valdez!
Good angle chosen by Eliza.
Ateneo still on top but only by 2 sa ating second technical timeout of set number 2. We'll be right back.
So, para siguro mas maganda i-share na lang niya sa atin yung pizza
Yes.
para...
Dahil growing girl yan eh. Athlete yan eh. Kaya niya umupak yan eh.
Combination play.
Speaking of upak, Eliza Valdez, who had a very, very slow start in the first set, is now 100% here in set number 2. Kaboom!
And this is what we're looking for para dito sa side.
Pasok na silang dalawa. 1 and 2 still up for grabs. Valdez. Wow.
That makes it to the line.
The velocity of her hits. All these years, napapanood natin yan, Ivy. It still remains the same. And now, 1-1. Ahumiro. De Leon, tulak dyan galing kay Jaja. Eliza. General. De Leon. Pablo. And Eliza cannot keep it alive. And Eliza sends a souvenir to the fans. Ay, kailangan natin yan. Official
Kailangan
hit ball yan.
Wag itao.
Okay, here she is. Ateneo by 1. And we are tied after the service error against Eliza Valdez. Maraginot. So with the entry of Kayla Chanco Williams, anong position niya? Pablo. Tan goes to Valdez. And Valdez goes to town.
Open spot there. Spotted by Eliza Valdez.
Best player, Kayla Chanco Williams. In for the first time. Maraginot on the serve. Jaja dug up there by Ella. Eliza!
That goes out.
That's a good idea though.
Mahirap yun yung angulo na yun.
Yeah, si Eliza naman yan.
So, walang mahirap para sa kanya.
1. Myla Pablo. Tan. Valdez. That's too strong.
outside.
Parang hinipan yung bola that time from Eliza.
The point for Ateneo.
And that would have told Roger Gorayev to just fix the defense already. They still need to fix it though. Oh my goodness.
Gandang bawi nitong si Eliza.
Binantayan ng lane down the line. Nag-cross court naman.
Again, yun yung maganda dyan because she can vary and she can read the defense.
While staying in the air.
Yeah.
Dindin Santiago Manabat. Game face on. Williams. Tan. Valdez. Saan galing yun?
Strong hit from Eliza Valdez. And that's from the back row,
Oh, back row attack from hell. Ang tawag doon. Take a look at this again. That is, of course, an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Volterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Down by 2, though, ang NU. Ruby, karate chop serve that time. Oh, goodness gracious. Eliza Valdez.
Dahil malaking panghihinayang ni Jurelsi, she already had that.
Up to serve, Ahumiro. Ruby, Pablo. Williams sending it over to Eliza. That time naabangan ni Aiko Ordaz.
Good block.
Eh. Tan. Valdez, that's it. Ateneo has taken the last 2 sets. They now take a 2-1 lead against the National University, and both coaches, as they pass in front of us, nag-high five. What a match so far. As we take a look at our shaky shake and play, who else but the MVP delivering for Ateneo to close out set number 3. We'll have the 4th set when we return. Stay with us. Rongo May Papa Amy Ahomiro from New Zealand. Na tinalo po ng Gilas kahapon. That's a different story. Oh, Eliza Valdez. I believe that is her 3rd block point of the day. Nakita ulit natin dito, ha?
Eliza was happy with that point, pero sabi niya out.
No, going back, I think I was telling this to Noreen the other day, na the ACL injury, when you get a reconstruction like that, as Valdez scores again, tumitibay lalo yung tuhod mo eh. But sometimes it's all in the head.
It's all in the head. Kasi yung iba kasi talaga mas lalo naging careful eh.
Right. Eliza Valdez with his ultra-fast spike brought to us at PLDT Homoltera. The ultra-fast LTE for Happy Family. 3-2 Ateneo.
Goals.
Jorel Singh trying to tie it up. Good serve. Tan. Valdez galing likod. Pinadaan pa talaga kay Jaja. That crowd goes to Ateneo. And now here's Ruby De Leon. Can it be a turnaround on her serve? Tan. Valdez. Well, sabi ni Eliza, isang beses ka naman si serve ngayon natin, Ruby, ha?
And Jaja's a little bit late to catch up with the blocking.
It's an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Homoltera, the ultra-fast LTE for a Happy Family. Here's Jaja Santiago. Eliza. Dug up by Jaja. Tan leaving it for De Leon. Sent back there by Manabat. Here's Valdez. Oh, wow, through everybody.
Jorel Singh was, doon na siya eh. So, sobrang bilis na talaga ng bola ni Eliza, hindi niya naiangat.
Lahat nilusutan ni Eliza. 4 ang nilusutan niya doon. Very well. What does she bring now for Ateneo?
Well, of course, given the opportunity, we can see malakas din ang ano niyan eh, hitting arm.
Yeah. Third ball. Given up there by Urdas. Williams. Backset kay Eliza, too near. Did not cross. Yes, she crossed.
There's a crossing violation.
Kala ko nakapreno siya in time.
Pero nakita ng ating mga referees yun eh.
Wala. Sabi ni Eliza, wala.
Konti lang eh.
Nagdahilan pa talaga.
Pero hindi pinalalagpas sa referee.
Dapat lang naman eh. Kahit konti, meron pa rin yan. Oh, wow. Eliza says, ito na nga lang gagawin ko. Pablo was saying that she dug it up. Okay, the deafening noise on the Eliza Valdez serve. Sabay tahimik eh, no?
Hihiyaw mo na sila, tapos pa magsuserve na, tumatahimik na sila.
But, it did not help that time. 13-all. Maya-maya, kuha na rin tayo ng kape. 21-19, Ruby. Valdez off the hands of the defense. Jorel Singh could not send it back properly. De Leon, Singh. Williams sending it to Tan. Eliza Valdez off the block. Ruby, Jaja. Kept alive by Kayla Chanko Williams. Eliza challenging Jaja that time. Jaja lifts it up. Aiko Urdas gives it up. De Leon, De Leon. Still kept alive by NU. Valdez off the head of Jaja.
They're saying no touch.
Tumama sa ulo ni Jaja. Tumama sa ulo ni Jaja. We saw that. Coach Roger will not contest it anymore.
Take a look at that again.
Boom! On her head. No. And it comes at a very crucial stage. Good serve from Doromal. Valdez. Oh, Dindin tried to get it over. Coach Roger not happy with the execution of his guest player. Heading into the semifinals as the bona fide number 1 squad. Giselle Tan. Urdas, pamimigay. Tan. Bea De Leon. Still alive. Manabat gets it across. Jesus. Tan. Combination. Eliza. Malakas. No check ball.
3 point na yun para sa Lady Bulldogs. We're tied at 23. So ngayon dito natin max away from getting the set.
Myla Pablo serving. Back set ngayon for Valdez. Going through the defense. Match point Ateneo. And it is the captain of Ateneo to serve now. Coach Tai telling everybody to relax. Valdez. De Leon. Urdas. Turned back there by De Leon. And it's over. The Ateneo de Manila University Lady Eagles sweep the quarterfinals and are now officially the #1 seed in the semifinals. And the National University finishing as the #2 seed.
Okay, so Eliza, kanina medyo git-gitan tayo sa fourth set. Well, most teams usually crumble under pressure. Kayo, naipanalo niyo pa yung laro. What was going through your head that time?
Well, Coach Tai keeps on reminding us na just play happy and just enjoy the game Yun lang naman. And everyone talaga really played well. Sobra. Simula sa bench ni coach all the way to the players inside the court. Sobra. I'm so thankful. We're so thankful na nakuha namin yung win today.